They all know who you are tonight. What you doing later on? And I don't mean tonight, I'm talking about your life, yeah. Hey girl, you looking like a star tonight. Won't you jump up in my car tonight? And we can do it all. This your favorite song, holla, yeah, yeah, yeah. Already, love you already. We gotta do it all. Dressed already, standing by the door. See, it's why I love you, you be ready to roll. Don't you wanna be like we can cruise the world, I need you outside. We can dance all night, and party like that. Mama, hey, shawty, wanna be like girl, it's feeling like the stars align. So open up your heart tonight, and we can do the most. Starting with a toast, let's raise it up to us, yeah. Hey girl, wanna turn it up tonight, so we can do whatever you like. I got the radio on, and this is your favorite song. She said, yeah, already, I love it already. We gotta do it, we gotta do it all. Dressed already, stand by the door. See, it's why I love you, be ready to roll. Say, hey, shawty, don't you wanna be like we can cruise the world, I need you outside. And we can dance all night, mama, hey, shawty, wanna be like Shawty, not trying to make you property, but if you was, I was sure to treat you properly. I know sometimes love isn't all that it's made out to be, but this could be what ought to be, inwardly and outwardly. I know them other guys try to strip. You sign up with nice lines, but I'm singing a song. You say it's hard to open up when your heart's been mistreated, but I got just what you need, I'm just hoping you receive it. And we get doing big all over the world, the diamonds and the pearls all over my girl. And I ain't really favoritism. If I was, you'd be my favorite. Sending you this text, I hope you